How to Spray Paint by Krylon. In this Spray Painting 101 video, we'll show you the basics of how to spray paint, so you can go from this to this, or this to this with confidence. First, gather your materials. You'll need a drop cloth, plastic sheet or newspaper, painter's tape, a lint-free cloth, a protective mask, rubber gloves, and of course, your can of Krylon. Let's get started. First, protect your area by covering it with your drop cloth. Remember, you should always spray outside or in a well-ventilated area. Before you start, your surface should be clean, smooth, and dry. Tape off any areas of your project you do not want to paint. Be sure to press down firmly. Grab your Krylon spray paint and shake for 1 to 2 minutes. Try a few test sprays. Now, the fun part. Always move the can back and forth in steady, overlapping swipes for even coverage. Avoid drips by keeping the can 8 to 10 inches from your surface. If your nozzle gets clogged, turn the can upside down and spray to clear. Wait for paint to dry completely before touching your item or spraying a second coat. Apply a second coat if needed, then wait again for it to dry completely. And that's it! Now you're ready to tackle the spray painting projects on your list.